Hello loves, I want to show you how you can remove your makeup with products you have at home. Okay, you can use, this is a baby oil, this is cousin's baby oil. You can use it in removing your makeup. You can also use your Vaseline Blue Seal. Vaseline Blue Seal, you can reuse it as well. You can also use your coconut oil to remove your makeup. All you need to do is apply it on your face the same way I'm doing right now with a cotton wool. Or if you don't want to do it this way, you can just apply the oil or the Vaseline on your palm and then apply it on your face. Apply it all over your face, okay? And then use a cotton wool or a tissue paper to wipe it off. It's very simple and easy. I love removing my makeup this way. This is my go-to method whenever I want to remove my makeup fast and easy. Okay? You don't need to use your sponge and soap to start scrubbing your face just to remove the makeup. Even if you do that, you know that at the end of the day, it will not remove everything on your face. It will not remove the makeup. You still see some residue of the makeup on your face. You see some particles of the makeup on your face. This is a sure way that I know that I've tested, and I'm still using this method in removing my makeup. It's very easy for me. It's very, very easy. I just apply it all over my face, then wipe it off. It just goes off, and it's so cheap. If you're buying the oil right now, it's less than 2,000 naira, which is 1,200 naira for the oil. That's if you're in Nigeria, is 1,200 naira for the oil. Okay, if you're buying a Vaseline, you can even use, there's a Vaseline of 500 naira. You use it to clean your makeup. You probably have these things at home. You probably have Vaseline or oil, even coconut oil. You probably have it at home. Okay, you use it in cleaning your makeup and wiping off your makeup. Okay, it's very easy. If you're trying to manage yourself, you don't want to really spend much, this is the surest way, the cheapest method you can use in removing your makeup. Okay, this is it. Okay, there's no shame in trying to manage yourself and your income. You don't necessarily need to spend much to look good or to maintain that skin. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is it. I'm done cleaning my face. As you can see, I removed all